Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY. I'll be showing you how I did the seaweed for the mermaid party theme. All you're going to need is scissors and tablecloths, which you can get from Dollarama or Dollar Tree. The amount of tablecloth that you're going to need really depends on how long you want the seaweed to hang from the ceiling. My tables were 72 inches each, so 144 inches long. That's how long I had to make it to go on top of the tables. In total, I got 8 tablecloths, 2 of each color, and I had 4 different colors, which was turquoise, purple, pink, and green. After you're done trimming off the edges, you can go ahead and open it up. This next step really depends on how long you want each seaweed to look like. For example, I didn't want it to look so symmetrical, so I did some a little shorter than other, but in the end, it's really up to you of the length of the seaweed. Per table cover, you should be able to make 8 seaweeds. So the next step to do is to hang it, and it's so easy. All you need is fishing line, tape, and thumbtacks, and you're good to go. This might look simple now, but at nighttime it looks so magical and beautiful. And I also added some lights to make it look like an effect of under the sea, and some animals that I bought off of Amazon for $15. If you want to know more of what I used for decorations for the mermaid party theme, I have a video that I just posted. It's called Mermaid Table Decoration Haul, and I go more into detail of where I got each item and how much they cost. If this video was helpful, like the video, share with your friends. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I will do my best to answer as quick as I can. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I upload new videos.